Hello kids! Today we are going to make some of your favorite fruits and you have to tell me which fruit we are making. Yes, it's an apple. Let's move on to our next drawing, and it is also everyone's favorite. It's a banana. So now we draw one more fruit, and it is, can you see and guess? It's a strawberry. So this fruit is full of water and it's very delicious. It's watermelon. So let's draw some more delicious fruits. And can you see which fruit I'm drawing this time? These are very juicy and delicious. Yes, you know it. These are grapes. Our next fruit drawing is a fruit which is actually spiky from outside but very yummy from inside. Do you know which one is it? It's yellow in color. It's a pineapple. And you guys already know that now we are going to color these. So keep watching the video.